Ethan has returned to work on his radio, haven't you, buddy? You gonna kick butt on it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Right now, Ethan is cleaning all of his tube socket pins with alcohol and these pipe cleaners, cleaning out the socket holes. Just dip it down in the alcohol like he's doing there, and then just give it a good reaming. And then it turns out Ed Morris, the original owner of the radio, thought that he might have burned out the field coil on this speaker, and we were very concerned about that, or I was. And Ethan went ahead and using the schematic over here, let me get this baby, using the schematic, he checked out the field coil and the primary and secondary of the audio output transformer. What'd you find, Ethan?
It was working.
It's all good, right? Okay, Ethan says it's all good. Well, I believe Ethan. So now he's checked all the rest of the parts. Is everything back together now?
Yeah.
You think everything's back together? Okay. Now keep in mind, you have a YouTube audience out there. Say hi.
Hello.
Alright, he's got everything back together. He says the speaker is good. And we're fixing to hook up the antenna wires here in a few minutes. And we're going to put the power to this thing. And what do you think is going to happen, Ethan? What is your prediction? You remember Mr. T in the Rocky movie? I predict pain. Are we going to have pain? No pain?
Not unless I touch something I'm not supposed to.
Not unless you touch something you're not supposed to. Alright, here we go. We're going to go ahead and let him work out a little while longer, and when he finally gives it his blessing and he has everything hooked up the way it's supposed to be, using gator wires, he's going to go ahead and gator wire that speaker together. In case there is a problem, it's better to do that first. And then we'll see what happens. Alright, Ethan has installed the tubes. You might want to tighten that up there a little bit. He's got lots of confidence going here. We're almost ready to plug this thing in as soon as he hooks up this speaker. Think it's going to work? Do you feel it building up? You sure? Alright. Ethan is slowly bringing up the voltage already on his radio. He says he's got it all hooked up properly. I did not double check it, and we're going to find out since we can watch voltage and watch current at the same time. It's not too big of a problem. He's got it at a little over 30 volts right now on that scale right there. Go ahead and crank up the variac a little bit more. Take it up to about, I don't know, 50, 60, whatever you feel like doing. Remember now, the key here is that current meter. You keep bouncing your eyeball from this one to that one, this one to that one, back and forth. Keep your eye on this current. Okay, slow, and then make sure your body don't touch anything in the bottom of that chassis there as you lean forward. Alright, you get up around 70 or 80 volts. He's up to around 70. See if you got any tubes glowing. Let's turn off this light. Anything glowing? Yep. Yep. See it down in there? Right down in there. See. Where's my finger? Yeah, it's glowing. Okay. Bring it up a little bit more. Go ahead and bring it up to 70 or 80. We're listening for some sound out of this speaker. I hope he gets some. Go ahead. Nothing's happening yet. We should have had some noise by now. 90, 85, 90. Our amp meter's not moving at all. That's not good. Something isn't right. Go ahead on up to 100. Okay. Now 110. Go ahead, keep going. Keep rocking and rolling. Let's see, our amp meter's beginning to climb a little bit. Okay, around 115, and we should. Okay, now turn your tuner up here around. Let's see if we can get some noise out of our speaker. Alright, nothing's happening, so we have a problem. Alright, Ethan thinks he had the speaker wired wrong, so we're going to give it another try. You got it turned on? Alright, he's bringing it up again. Let's see what happens. Go ahead, bring her up. Yeah. Yeah, the current draw is going higher. Let's hope it goes a little bit higher than what it is right now. Should go much higher than it is. We're just looking for some noise right now. Alright, nothing happening. Nothing happening. How interesting. Go ahead a little higher. Take it up to 110, 115, somewhere in there. Alright. Now move your tuner around, see if you got anything. By the way, he's got knobs on those two shafts, so he doesn't get juiced in case something else is wrong. Alright, well, let's see what happens. We'll check something else. Alright, try number 3. Ethan found a wire from the field coil to the filter cap that was not connected. So now he's going to bring it up again. Look at that. Look at the amp meter going a lot higher than before, and it seems to be bouncing around a little better.
I see what you got.
Bring it on up. Bring it on up. Hopefully the third time is a charm. Look at that. Look at the amps going up. Oh, that's great. Oh, 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 oh! What do we have, Ethan? We have sound. All right. Give it a few seconds. Try tuning in a station. No? Yeah, go ahead. See if you can get some noise. Got your volume up all the way? All the way. No, the other way. All right, there you go. So you're just looking for some noise. Come on. All right, well, we're going to work on that for a few minutes, but congratulations, you have some noise out of this thing. I'm proud of you. Do we have success, or do we have success? Fantastic. He adjusted the primary on the IF can, and the music popped right in. Congratulations, Ethan. See if you can tune it in a little better now with the knob. Go ahead and tune around. It's your radio. Tune around. Let's see what we can find.
Bubbles.
I think we have a success. We can go ahead and I'll teach you how to do an alignment next, okay? You can turn the volume down a little bit now. There you go. 14-year-old genius fixed the radio. Never in his life had looked at a schematic before. Fantastic. Oh, by the way, you won 3 medals playing the flute the other day, didn't you?
Yes.
3 medals. One was first place in a couple of seconds. Is that what it was? Congratulations. Big time flute player, big time radio man. Good to go. Of course, the real checkout on this radio is whether or not it can pick up WSM out of Nashville. Ethan's taking a shower right now, so I thought I'd play around with it just to find out. There we go.